Hello, my subscribers. Today, I have a new Minecraft series. Yes, the original one I couldn't do anyway because my computer couldn't handle it, and so I had to make a new one. This one has less mods, but I will be getting more soon. Maybe. Who knows? If my computer can handle it. So until then, this will be my new Minecraft series. Let's begin. Let's load in. Oh wait, I forgot to show y'all. This is my new workspace. It's in my bedroom. Moved it, organized my bedroom. It's clean, not messy anymore. And yeah. Also, I might start vlogging. I was working on a vlog, and then my camera died, and I didn't know what to do. And I don't know where my charger is. It's pain. I got this camera for Christmas, so it's been a year, a year and a half since I used it. I haven't used it since the end of Christmas. Yeah. My thing's taking too long to load. You might have to change the video topic. That's not as good. Oh, thanks. I forgot to mention I changed my username on Minecraft. Because you go can. Let's see something. No, I'm not read that. I forgot to mention I still have an official Discord server. So if you guys want to join it, you can. Links in the description. I recommend getting Discord. If you want to join one of my role plays, that's possibly, potentially, maybe, I don't know, gonna be a YouTube video series. It's up to my friends if they want to do that. So yeah, I'll give y'all some tips and enjoyments. I will send you guys, when you guys join the Discord server, something that says not many people get this message. And then it says a bunch of stuff. I'll also be sending a form in the description below about it, so you can, if you want to be in it. But first, this is a disclaimer to the roleplay. You will be needing mods. If you can't get mods, there's a slight chance that you cannot do this Minecraft IP with me. If you don't feel comfortable talking like me, because I'm mostly boys in this roleplay, you can just type out, and other people can just talk to you, and it will be a lot of fun. Now let's see if that Minecraft loaded in. It's loading. Yay. I also forgot to mention, this server will not be open forever. If it gets too crowded and I feel like I'm getting too much messages from here, I will close down the server or mute every single one of you from the server, or kick or ban. The server also does not allow... Wait one moment. Okay. This is a swear-free zone, so if you swear, I do not recommend joining because I'm someone that does not like swearing. If you guys, like I said before, tell me in general chat about an OC, and you guys can potentially be in my IP called Demon High School. You don't have to be a demon. You can be a Mephra, demon wolf, werewolf, demon, werewolf, or human, or just a natural demon. There's only one human, and I want to keep it that way. But if you want to be a human, it's fine. This is gonna be too humans soon, because the only human and a demon, fallen angel demon, had a child, and they are my favorite. I love them so much. I love how I have a child now. And yes, that human's me. I have way more characters that are male. Only 3 characters that are female. Yeah. I will also be giving you the Demon High School Discord server. There's lots of friends of mine that don't want to join. So I want to make sure you guys want to join. Also, go check out Sapphire Catman. She's like the best girl ever. Also, my Sweet Bean Strings Threads. She's also the best ever. I hope you guys join, and I think I'm going to stop this video if this Minecraft thing isn't opened. It's not opened. So that video is just going to be about updates. I might cut out that part in the beginning. Now, like I said, in the description below, I will be putting the form to join the Demon High School Roleplay, and the link into my official Discord server, and the link into Demon High School. I recommend joining if you haven't done the form yet. So yeah, bye!